Do you crave the comfort of home-cooked meals even when venturing into the great outdoors? The Camp Chef Outdoor Oven might be the answer to your wilderness culinary woes. Boasting portability, versatility, and the ability to reach temperatures comparable to a home oven, this propane-powered oven promises to elevate your camping cuisine beyond basic campfire fare. Let's explore the functionalities, potential limitations, and overall effectiveness of the Camp Chef Outdoor Oven to see if it transforms your campsite into a culinary haven. Portable powerhouse, cooking freedom beyond the kitchen. The Camp Chef Outdoor Oven prioritizes portability and functionality. Its compact size and convenient carrying handles make it easy to transport, ensuring your culinary creativity isn't limited to your kitchen. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply seeking outdoor cooking adventures, this oven provides the freedom to cook a wide variety of dishes. Beyond campfire cooking, a home oven on the go. While campfire cooking has its charm, it can be limiting. The Camp Chef Outdoor Oven offers a solution. With a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the ability to hold a steady 350 F for up to 7 hours on a single 1 lb propane bottle, this oven unlocks the possibilities of a home oven outdoors. From breakfast skillets to delicate pastries like cinnamon rolls, this oven expands your campsite cooking repertoire. Versatility reigns. From stovetop to oven, the Camp Chef Outdoor Oven isn't just an oven. It's a multifunctional cooking station. It features two 500 BTU per hour brass range burners on top, providing a stovetop for boiling water, frying ingredients, or simmering sauces. The built-in oven compartment, powered by a separate 3000 BTU per hour burner, allows you to bake, roast, or reheat dishes. This versatility eliminates the need for multiple cooking appliances, streamlining your outdoor culinary setup. User-friendly features for campsite convenience. The Camp Chef Outdoor Oven prioritizes user-friendliness. Fully adjustable heat control dials allow for precise temperature control, ensuring you don't undercook or burn your food. A matchless ignition system eliminates the need for lighters or matches, making for a hassle-free cooking experience. A built-in oven heat gauge helps you monitor temperature for optimal results. Removable oven racks and enamel cooking grates offer easy cleaning after your culinary adventures. Durable design and adaptability for long-term use. The Camp Chef Outdoor Oven is built to last. Stainless steel construction ensures durability in various weather conditions. The insulated and efficient oven box retains heat effectively, maximizing fuel efficiency. The folding lid transforms into a 3-sided windscreen, providing protection from wind and helping maintain consistent temperatures. For extended cooking needs, the oven can be adapted for use with a bulk propane tank by adding a hose adapter sold separately. A few considerations before you buy. Potential limitations. While the Camp Chef Outdoor Oven offers a compelling set of features, there are a few potential limitations to consider. The internal dimensions of 11 inches long by 16 inches wide by 9 inches high might restrict the size of dishes you can cook, especially for larger families or groups. Additionally, some user reviews mention the heat distribution not being entirely even and requiring occasional rotation of food for optimal cooking. The verdict: a worthy companion for campsite chefs. Overall, the Camp Chef Outdoor Oven is a valuable companion for outdoor enthusiasts who crave the comfort and versatility of a home oven while camping or enjoying outdoor adventures. The portability, functionality, and ability to reach home oven temperatures make it a compelling option. The user-friendly features, durable construction, and adaptability for bulk propane use further enhance its value proposition. While the size limitations and potential uneven heat distribution might be minor drawbacks, the Camp Chef Outdoor Oven offers a strong solution for those seeking to elevate their campsite cuisine and enjoy a wider variety of delicious meals under the open sky. If you're looking for a portable and versatile outdoor oven to transform your camping experience, then the Camp Chef Outdoor Oven is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.